Can you all see the workbook page on your screens, students? Okay. Now this page we had already done yesterday, right? The 7 MCQs and fill in the blanks. I think all of these questions you have done yesterday. Yes or no? Yes. Now, in case if anybody had left out yesterday because of network issue or because you were absent or the lecture got completed and you could not finish, whatever the reason is, अगर इसमें से कुछ भी बाकी है तो फटाफट से स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो. Then I will turn the page. Have you all taken the screenshot if required? Okay, shall I turn the page? Okay, here comes the second page. First, we will complete the blank 9, 10, 11, 12. After that, leave 2 or 3 lines and give the title true or false. ये पूरा लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, just write true or false. अब true or false कैसे लिखोगे आप लोग? जैसे चैप्टर 1, 2 में लिखा था. What will you do? Yes, correct. जो करेक्ट है वो तो करेक्ट ही है. द गवर्नमेंट इज लाइक अ मैनेजिंग कमेटी. ट्रू. नंबर 1 ट्रू है. सेकेंड, द गवर्नमेंट does distribute food items to ration shops. That is also true. Third is also true. Fourth one में देखो. The executive committee of the government frames laws. It is false. What is correct? The executive committee implements the laws. तो अब पहले तो ये वाला स्टेटमेंट लिखोगे. द एग्जीक्यूटिव कमेटी ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट फ्रेम्स लॉज डैश करके लिखो फॉल्स और नीचे राइट द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. द एग्जीक्यूटिव कमेटी ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट इम्प्लीमेंट्स लॉज. या फिर यहाँ जैसे मैंने लिखा है वैसे भी लिख सकते हो, बट सी टू दैट इट डज नॉट बिकम डर्टी. Okay, in short, I want the correct statement of all the sentences which are false. Am I very clear, all of you? Yes? Okay, again after completing true or false till number 9, leave 2 lines again and give the title match the following. अब match the following में भी आपको पता है. नंबर 1, ग्राम पंचायत डैश करके सीधा आंसर प्रोवाइड स्ट्रीट लाइट्स इन द विलेजेस. नंबर 2, तालुका पंचायत डैश करके आंसर कंस्ट्रक्ट रूट्स बिटवीन 2 विलेजेस. Okay, so start writing, and as soon as you complete these 3 questions, blanks, true or false and match, then I will turn the page. There is one more question of match the following itself. Match the following आगे continue हो रहा है, लेकिन that we will do later on. Now if you have anything to ask, any questions, anybody? Any questions? Can you see the page properly, all of you? Is it properly seen? Okay, chalo, start writing. And in between, if you have any queries, you can ask me. Okay, now listen, students. After this, there is one more question of match the following itself. So what you will do after writing number 5, जो आपने 5th लिखा, central government starts new trades between cities. After that, you will write number 6 itself. यहाँ पर number 6 लिखना. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the next page which I am sharing. So you will have to continue. I am turning the page. Look here. Can you all see the next page? Yes or no? Okay. So this will be your number 6. This will be 7. This will be 8, and this will be 9. फिर से क्वेश्चन लिखना, बॉक्सेस बनाना, ये कुछ नहीं करना है. You will write directly 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? Am I very clear, students? Okay, so what will be your number 6? Law framing body of the government dash legislative body. 7. Law executive body of the government dash executive committee. 8. The lower house, it is known as legislative assembly, and upper house, it is known as legislative council. So this will be your match the following number 6, 7, 8, 9. Now as soon as you complete up to this, then leave 2 lines, write the instructions, answer in 1 or 2 sentences, and write the first question which is already seen over here on the screen. Why does every nation require the government? 5.1 तक क्वेश्चन लिख के रेडी रखो. After 5 minutes we will start writing the answers. Am I very clear, students? Yes? Okay, start writing. Okay, students, after completing, match the following, leave 2 or 3 lines, then write the instructions number 5. Answer in 1 or 2 sentences. Then question 1 is already given. Why does every nation require the government? This is your 5.1. I think all of you have written up to this. Okay? Yes or no? Okay. Now for the answer, I am sharing the textbook with you. I will mark the answer in the textbook and you will have to copy. Can you all see the textbook on the screen? Can you all see the textbook? Okay. Now here comes your answer. देखो आंसर में आप ऐसा करोगे. First you will start like this. यहाँ से. The government is necessary to ensure that the law is same for everyone. It frames laws and sees that it is implemented. अब यहाँ तक लिखो implemented तक, then put a full stop. फिर सीधा चले जाओ यहाँ पर. The government thus plays a vital role in maintaining law, order and peace and also ensures the development of the nation, up to nation. This is your 5.1. Okay? तो यहाँ से यहाँ तक लिखोगे, फिर यहाँ से यहाँ. Am I very clear, all of you? Yes. Implemented के बाद full stop, then directly next sentence. The government thus plays a vital role up to development of the nation. Is it very clear, students? Okay, start writing. Okay, now those who have completed 5.1 question, for them I have written question 5.2. Listen, the question number 5.2 is written. On which different levels does the government work? Then put a question mark. Okay, be ready with. जिसको ये फर्स्ट आंसर जल्दी खत्म हो गया है, you can copy down the question. On which different levels does the government work? Put a question mark. I'll wait for 1 minute and then I will give you the answer. Okay, listen, the question लिख के ready रखना. Now we don't have time to write the answer. So today we will keep up to question 5.2. Answer 5.2 we will write in the next lecture. Okay? So complete up to the question. On which different levels does the government work? Put a question mark. Answer 2 करके रख दो, वो हम कल करेंगे. Am I very clear, students?